Hope everyone are doing well. I'm your Priya Hegde. In this situation, the one can wish or say only to be indoor, to be safe. I understand how this current situation has affected everyone's life. While we all are battling against this COVID-19, we thought let us share a few of the basic needs and also few homemade remedies for COVID-19. You might be confused, right? What this girl is referring to we when she's talking alone? Guys, I forgot to tell you something. This is our new YouTube channel called KB Rockstar and started by Kiran and Bhavani to share some of their knowledge to everyone. Initially, they were thinking what should be the first video. There were many topics, but given the situation and the rough patch what we are going through due to COVID-19, we thought let us share some of the information to know how to build your immunity resistance power. Guys, before we could start, please subscribe to our new channel, and I'm requesting you to click or hit on a bell icon to get all our future updates, because without your support they are nothing. And so cheers to their success as well as their homemade remedies which they checked on themselves to see whether they are capable of helping you or not. To start with, let me tell you guys how to know whether the person is affected for COVID or not. The basic symptoms includes fever, coughing, dry cough, sore throat, headache, muscle pain, problem in breathing, and also fatigue. Now let me tell you, the basic medical kit one should have at home includes paracetamol tablets, which we almost everyone has at home, and this face mask, hand sanitizer, vitamin C and B complex tablets. Guys, do you know what is the medicine given for a COVID patients at isolated hospitals? It is nothing but paracetamol, vitamin C and D tablets from morning 9 to 10, sitting in sunlight for almost 15 to 20 minutes, drinking lots of water, egg meal, and good amount of rest, almost sleeping for 7 to 8 hours, and food, whatever you are taking, it should be warm, not cold. So by this, what I'm trying to tell you is, even at hospital also, they're trying to improve your immunity system, because unfortunately we don't have vaccine for this. So guys, let me tell you few of the homemade remedies to improve your immunity power. The first one is, don't compromise on your sleep. Good snooze time for almost 7 to 8 hours is must for your body to build immunity. And also lesser sleep leave your body weaker or tired and impair your brain activity. The next remedy is hydrate yourself. Drink almost 8 to 10 glasses of warm water to hydrate yourself. Hydration helps you to flush out the toxins from your body, which lowers the chances of flu. Alternatives for hydration is juice made up of citric fruits especially, and also coconut water to bear the heat. Next remedy is, don't skip on your exercise. Exercise includes also diet. So good diet followed by the exercise is very must and important. So try to do exercise regularly. Even the light exercise help you to release toxins from your body, and recommended exercise should be 30 to 40 minutes, but it depends on your stamina. One more important remedy is to de-stress yourself. In this situation, it's important to stay calm, and stress always has adverse effect on your immunity. So to de-stress yourself, please follow the following steps. First of all, try to meditate yourself or try practicing pranayama, and avoid taking alcohol or smoking or any addictive substances, and please avoid unnecessary travels. Supplements and immunity boosting foods include vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc and elderberry, also turmeric and garlic. A yellow bright spice or turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which boosts the immunity function. Also, garlic has a powerful property of anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties, which again enhance the immunity power. Also, Ministry of Ayush has recommended few self-care guidelines to boost immunity functions with respect to the respiratory health. Please follow them, and also guys, please do drink lots of water, especially warm water, and please practice yogasana, meditation and pranayama, and increase in intaking turmeric and ginger, garlic, and also this coriander. And intake this herbal tea, and also apply this butter or ghee, also sesame oil or coconut oil to both your nostrils to clean your nostrils. So by doing this, we all can improve our immunity power. Now you tell me, how are you staying fit in this quarantine period? Let us know in the comments below. Finally, I want to thank all the doctors, hospital staff, police, and people who are involved in the food services, drivers and the sanitization workers, and everyone who are fighting for us to keep us safe. Thank you.